Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best brother sewing machines available on the market for their quality, features, and performance. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced sewist, there's something here for everyone. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the countdown. At rank number 5, we have the Brother XM2701 sewing machine, which is a fantastic budget-friendly option priced at $129.99. This lightweight machine is perfect for beginners and those looking for a simple, reliable tool for everyday sewing tasks. With 27 built-in stitches, including decorative, blind hem, zigzag, and stretch stitches, plus an auto-size buttonhole, it offers a surprising amount of versatility for its price. The design is compact and portable, weighing just 12.6 pounds. It features an automatic needle threader and a jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin, making it beginner-friendly and easy to use. The free arm capability is ideal for sewing cuffs, sleeves, and other tubular items. Despite its budget-friendly price, the XM2701 includes 6 sewing feet, an instructional DVD, and other handy accessories, ensuring you have everything you need to get started. However, this machine is best suited for light to moderate sewing tasks. It may not perform as well with heavy-duty fabrics or quilting projects. But if you're just starting out or need a dedicated machine for basic tasks, the XM2701 is a solid choice. Pros include affordability, ease of use, and portability, while the limited stitch variety and lack of advanced features may be cons for some users. Coming in at number 4 is the Brother XR3774 sewing and quilting machine, which strikes a great balance between affordability and functionality. Priced at $174.97, this machine offers 37 built-in stitches, including decorative and quilting stitches, as well as a one-step buttonhole. It's a versatile option for both sewing and quilting enthusiasts. The XR3774 features a wide table and 8 included sewing feet, making it well-equipped for larger projects like quilts and home decor items. Its automatic needle threader and drop-in top bobbin are user-friendly additions that make setup and operation a breeze. The free arm is perfect for sewing cuffs and sleeves, while the included instructional DVD ensures that even beginners can get started with confidence. While this machine performs well for its price, it does have a slightly less robust stitch variety compared to higher-end models, and its motor may struggle with particularly heavy fabrics. That said, it's an excellent choice for casual sewists and quilters who need an affordable, capable machine. Pros include its quilting capabilities, wide table, and ease of use, while cons might include limited power for heavier fabrics. At number 3, we have the Brother CS5055 computerized sewing machine, priced at $159.99. This model is a step up from more basic machines, offering 60 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, and heirloom stitch functions, as well as 7 one-step auto-size buttonholes. The computerized LCD display makes it easy to select and customize your stitches, giving you extra precision and control. The CS5055 is built with a durable metal frame and features an improved needle threader and a jam-resistant drop-in bobbin, ensuring smooth and consistent operation. It also includes 7 sewing feet and a range of accessories, making it a great option for a variety of projects, from clothing alterations to home decor. The larger needle-to-arm workspace is an added bonus for those working on bulkier projects. While it's not specifically designed for heavy quilting, the CS5055 offers excellent value for sewists who want a bit more versatility without breaking the bank. Pros include the computerized functionality, stitch variety, and durable build, while cons might include a slightly steeper learning curve for beginners unfamiliar with computerized machines. At number 2, we have the Brother XR9550 sewing and quilting machine. Priced at $249.99, this model is a standout choice for quilters and creative sewists. It boasts an impressive 165 built-in stitches, including 110 utility, decorative, and heirloom stitches, 55 alphanumeric stitches, and 8 auto-size buttonholes. The computerized LCD display ensures stitch selection is intuitive and precise. The XR9550 includes a wide table, making it ideal for quilting and other large-scale projects. With 8 included presser feet, a protective hardcover, and an instructional DVD, this machine is packed with features that cater to advanced users and those looking to expand their skills. Its automatic needle threader and jam-resistant bobbin system add to its ease of use. While this machine is excellent for advanced projects, its higher price tag and feature set may be overwhelming for beginners. However, for intermediate to advanced sewists, the XR9550 offers incredible versatility and performance. Pros include its extensive stitch library, quilting capabilities, and high-quality build, while the cons are the higher price and potential complexity for beginners. Finally, at number 1, we have the Brother CS7000X computerized sewing and quilting machine, the premium choice on this list, priced at $259.99. This machine offers an ideal combination of advanced features, performance, and versatility, making it perfect for sewists and quilters alike. With 70 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, heirloom, and quilting stitches, plus 7 one-step buttonholes. It's designed to tackle a wide range of projects. The CS7000X features a durable metal frame, an improved needle threader, and a jam-resistant drop-in bobbin system for smooth and consistent stitching. The large needle-to-arm workspace and included wide table make it especially suitable for quilting and larger projects. With 10 included presser feet and a quilt guide, this machine is ready for creative projects right out of the box. While it comes with a higher price tag, the CS7000X offers excellent value for advanced users and those who need a machine that can handle more complex tasks. Pros include its robust build, quilting-friendly design, and extensive accessories, while cons might include the price and a steeper learning curve for absolute beginners. Overall, this is the top choice for those seeking a high-quality, versatile sewing machine. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews just like this one. If you have any questions about the products we covered, feel free to leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.